How to find out equilibrium price and quantity given the demand and supply functions. The question is, find the equilibrium price and quantity for the market. Quantity supplied plus 32 minus 7p is equal to 0, where Q is the quantity supplied, P is the price, and quantity demanded minus 120 plus 9p is equal to 0. Okay, so we have the demand function here. This is our demand function, sorry, this is our supply function, and this is the demand function. Okay, so let us first try to draw the graph. Graph will look like this. We have quantity demanded or supplied on the horizontal axis, price on the vertical axis. Okay, so at equilibrium what happens, or let me first rewrite these. Okay, I will drop the subscripts here. That means in the first equation, let us suppose this is first equation, this is second equation. Okay, so can I write it like this? Q is equal to, transpose these terms to RHS, so it becomes negative 32 and this becomes positive 7p. This is our demand supply function rather, and demand function is likewise transpose the terms to RHS. We will get minus 128 will it become plus 128, plus 9p becomes minus 9p. Okay, now we know that at equilibrium what happens, demand is equal to supply. That means if this is our demand function, if this is our supply function, okay, equilibrium attains where the demand and supply curves intersect with each other. Okay, so this is our demand function, this is our supply function. So at equilibrium what happens, demand is equal to supply. Now since this is demand function, this is supply function, left hand side of both the equation is the same, we can equate the RHS. That means minus 32 plus 7p is equal to 128 minus 9p. Let us solve for price. So transpose this term to LHS. We have 7p plus 9p is equal to, here we have 128, and let us transpose this term to RHS, it becomes plus 32. So 9p plus 7p is 16p is equal to 128 plus 32, it will become 160. Dividing both sides by, let's write it here, dividing both sides by 16, so we will get 16p divided by 16 is equal to 160 upon 60. So 16 gets cancelled, price is equal to 16 ones are 16 zeros are, so equilibrium price will be 10. So the equilibrium price will be 10. To find out the equilibrium quantity, plug P is equal to 10 either in demand or supply function. Let's plug it into the supply function. That means quantity demanded or supplied will be equal to 128 minus 9 times the value of price, which is 10 here. So quantity demanded or supplied will be equal to 128 minus 90. Okay, so we will get here 8 minus 0 is 0, we will get 30. So sorry, here we get 8 minus 0 is 8, so we will get quantity demanded or supplied is equal to 28 here.